So here's how to add Amazon affiliate links to the Facebook page. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, you'll need to have an Amazon affiliate account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. We'll guide you through the entire process. Just follow along. To create an Amazon affiliate account, go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and click on Join Now for free. Fill in the required information and click Next. Next, you'll need to set up your affiliate profile. This includes providing your Facebook page details, as well as your preferred payment method. Once you've completed all the required fields, click Next. All right, now that you have your Amazon affiliate account set up, let's move on to adding affiliate links to your Facebook page. It's super easy. Once you're logged into your Amazon affiliate dashboard, navigate to the Product Linking tab and click on Text Now. Search for the product you want to promote on your Facebook page. Once you find it, click on Get Link next to the product. Now let's head over to our Facebook page and add the affiliate link. On your Facebook page, create a new post or find an existing one where you want to add the affiliate link. Simply paste the affiliate link into the post's text area. You can also add a catchy caption to grab your audience's attention. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your post, hit the Publish button, and your Facebook page is now ready to generate affiliate sales. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to add Amazon affiliate links to your Facebook page. With this new knowledge, you can start earning commissions whenever your audience makes a purchase through your links. Isn't that amazing?